What is up, guys? It's Russell back with another YouTube video. I know it's been a while, but you know, I'm back with it. I'm picking up something really cool. Picking up some new exhaust. It's called the NVIDIA GT-N1 dual exhaust. The one I have on right now is actually a PLM exhaust, axle back, muffler delete. I did some comparison research type of thing. Apparently, with the PLM exhaust, there's a lot of droning inside the car, and with the NVIDIA, there's less drone sound in the car, so that's pretty cool. I'll just put a side-by-side list comparison thing. I did a ChatGPT thing, but you'll see it's basically, I think it has like a deeper sound, which is kind of cool. I'm actually going all the way to Milwaukee, Wisconsin right now. It's like an hour drive from Chicagoland, but I'm almost there, so yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a second. Alright, so I had met up with the guy and I picked up the exhaust. I got it for a really good deal, actually, so bro, he hooked it up. Oh my god. He ended up just giving me this, like, I'll show you what it looks like. Super cool. It's what I wanted too for a long time. White bar, 4th brake light. So cool. He just hooked it up. Just gave it to me for free. When I open the box, I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's really cool. I'll show you guys what the exhaust looks like. But yeah, just know that it looks really cool. It's so hot. Quick update, guys. I'm in the middle of doing this. I just took off the tail light from this side. If you ever get one of these, I guess just to open the trunk, there's gonna be this little panel right here that you unscrew from here, right there, and then there's gonna be screws that hold the tail light from here and here. Lift off the tail light, and it will be connected here. It was kind of tricky for me to get it out because I had to forcefully like do something to get this thing unplugged, but that'll hang loose. Set the tail light aside here, and then just plug and play. So yeah, and just like that, you guys. Finally, I get. You can toss this out now, but I'm just gonna throw it back there. Now it's matching with the rest of the whiteness. Hell yeah! All right, let's test it out. Okay, I guess that's what it looks like. Cool. So it's red when it's running. When it's off, it's just white. Super cool. So, very valid. And then for the exhaust, I'll show you guys what it looks like. So it's in this really big ass box. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Alright, this is what it looks like. Cannons, dude. Oh my god. Let me hold it the other way. So yeah, here's the logo. This thing's gonna look fucking crazy. I'm not gonna install it this video, just showing you guys what I got. I'll do a side-by-side comparison, sound comparison with PLM versus NVIDIA real soon, so stay tuned after that if you guys are interested in copying one of these. Yeah. Dude, I got these for $100. All right. So yeah, this is both of them. I guess they're just gonna be sitting in my car for a little while now, I guess. But they look super badass with the blue shit. Yeah. I'm gonna clean these before they get installed, but I'm sure this is gonna sound super cool. It came with like these things right here. I'm pretty sure they go like somewhere. I don't know any of this stuff. I'm gonna take it to a shop. But yeah, well, I guess in this video I showed you how to install a 4th brake light, so there you go. And the guy, like I said, the guy gave it to me for free, which was super badass. Now it matches with the rest of the whiteness. Alright guys, so it is the next day. I got caught up with like random stuff after I installed the light. I am gonna end the video here. I just have the exhaust sitting here in the car now, so stay tuned for that. I will be doing that real soon. So I'll do rev testing, flybys, stuff like that, to see which one's better. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like. If you did not like the video, give it a like. Check out my socials right here. And yeah, stay tuned for more, guys.
At a sight, at a line, piped up, alkaline, shit, on my mind. I was thinking about wife and her, no, never mind.